to my blooming TV. Today we are going to be doing a crochet hair DIY. So this is my model for today. She's my daughter. You want to say
hi?
Her name is Frances, and we are going to be using this Freetress crochet braid. It says Nigerian twist, and we are going to be using that to do her crochet braids. So if you want to see how I'm going to achieve that, I encourage you to
like,
share, and subscribe. We'll be right back.
Alright. Okay.
So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using 2 packs of Freetress braids, and it's in the color 1B. Each pack has 81 strands and is 20 inches. So it says it's the Shake and Go Freetress Braid Pre-Stretched Nigerian Twist, and it's already pre-looped. So meaning there's a loop here, and this makes it really easy. So we can see that it's like an off black. That is the 1B. So it ends in the tiny ends here, and at the back it shows you a model. This is what it's supposed to look like, and then it shows you other styles that are available in this brand. And all
shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. Then nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a wave the twilight, my only, my bestie. Into my life, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love, ooh. Somebody else, and that is you, ooh. Falling in with you, not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes.
And here we have it. We are all done. As you can see, I put my cornrows to go all up so it looks like single braids, and she can wear it as a side part or a middle part. So until next time on my Blooming TV, when I bring you another exciting tutorial, how do you find your braids?
I like how it's light and it's not heavy.
Okay, do not forget to
Like.
share and subscribe. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Ciao.
1, 2, 3, come on!